Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rewardy application on your iOS device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and first connect your iOS device to a working or stable internet. Next, open up your App Store. Into the search box, type in Rewardy and perform your search. Once you find this application that says Rewardy Money Paid Surveys, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Rewardy is an application that allows you to earn money from home by listening to music, playing games, watching Twitch streams, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap Open and you'll be able to open up the application right on your iOS device. Allow necessary permissions for the app and you'll be able to download Rewardy application right on your iOS device. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.